विदर्भ प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 2 का आज है दूसरा दिन, तीसरा मैच जहां की भारत रेंजर्स भिड़ेंगे ऑरेंज टाइगर्स के साथ। दिस इज अ इवनिंग मैच।
जी हाँ, दानिश मालेवाल के बारे में हमने पहले भी बात की थी शो में, लेकिन इस वक्त नजर रहेगी ऑरेंज टाइगर्स पे शिखा, क्योंकि पहले बल्लेबाजी करेगी ये टीम। ध्रुव शोरे किस तरह का स्टार्ट देते हैं, उसके बाद यश राठौड़ क्या भूमिका निभाते हैं, रोहित बिनकर की हम पहले बात कर चुके हैं। 200 से अधिक रन राज सीजन में बनाए थे, 4 अर्धशतक। गेंदबाजी में आदित्य सरवटे हैं, ये अपना अनुभव लेकर आएंगे भारत रेंजर्स के लिए। आदित्य ठाकरे जो हैं ये ऑरेंज टाइगर्स के लिए खेल रहे हैं। मुझे याद है ये इंडिया अंडर 19 खेल चुके हैं आदित्य ठाकरे, इनके पास भी बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है। तो ये दोनों टीमें जो हैं इस वक्त तो फिलहाल कागज पे और जब स्क्रीन पे आप देखते हैं तो वेल बैलेंस नजर आ रही है।
इस समय हम मौजूद है जामता स्टेडियम। बल्लेबाज और दूसरे बल्लेबाज की बात करें, ध्रुव शोरी, नचिकेत मोहिते, बेहतरीन गेंदबाज।
Has he got some glove? Yes, the finger goes up. This is a great start for Bharat Rangers and Nachiket. Mandar will have to depart in the very first ball of this match.
0 पर 1 टाइगर्स।
Yeah, the captain walks out to bat very early in the innings. Oh, he's got a leading edge on this. This could be wicket number 2. This is a brilliant start here by the Bharat Rangers and Nachiket Bhute. Both the openers back in the dugout, and I'll tell you what, if you're Bharat Rangers, you'll want to believe this is a great toss to win, and it's a magnificent start.
2 विकेट्स गंवा दिए हैं मात्र 2 रन पर टाइगर्स ने।
Rohit Binkar walks out, another very fine batter. At this level, you need to find the radar early. Slashed hard, and that's a decisive hit.
अगले ओवर में आपको कोई स्लिप नजर नहीं आएगी अगर आप ऐसी गेंदबाजी करते चलेगा। एक कैच, एक आसान सा कैच पॉइंट के हाथ में।
Play Yash departs for 6 and 5, 10 for 3.
पारी किनारा कैरी नहीं किया, जितना हमें यहां से नजर आया वहां लगा नहीं कि कैरी किया है। लेकिन देखना होगा क्या बातचीत होती है, क्या थर्ड अंपायर के ऊपर क्या रिव्यू लेने की कोशिश होगी।
Nice and slow, frame by frame. Take it forward, take it forward, take it forward, forward, forward. Yeah, I could see some fingers underneath the ball. Take it, finish the catch. Yeah.
There it goes. Bharat Rangers celebrating, the third batter for the Tigers.
दैया 0 पर आउट, 11 पर 4 टाइगर्स। अक्षय अग्रवाल इंपैक्ट प्लेयर के रूप में बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए।
Nicely driven, exquisite, authentic brilliance in shot making here by Akshay.
अनुभव हो या ना हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
Turned it into a hittable ball and sends it sailing. That's from the middle of the bat. 1 bounce and 4.
44 पर पहुंचे हुए और ये हवा में जरूर है। टाइम की एक और छक्का और इसी के साथ 50 रन पूरे रोहित के।
That's gone a long way, and that's out of here. Short and wide is miscued this one. Someone should go for it. Fielder getting underneath. This is the big scalp. Atharva Taide with the catch. Manan with the wicket. He gets his man and has the last laugh.
89 पे 5 ऑरेंज टाइगर्स।
Yeah, somehow manages to get some glove on it. That'll race away for a 4. Gives the charge, improvises, goes the distance. That's over, extra cover. Smart cricket. Got to be aware of where the field is. That's going to be 4. Edge, that's over the keeper. That's going to be 4. Someone needs to go for it. The bowler says it's mine. Manan gets underneath that. A soft dismissal for a hard-hitting Akshay Agarwal. But what an innings he's played.
अक्षय 57 रन बना के आउट हुए, 159 पे 6।
11 for 4 they were. But this innings, confusion over there, could be a run out. Utter confusion in the middle. And yes, easy pickings over there. Well done by the keeper. Tigers 160 for 7. That's gone. Gone. What a shot. What a beautiful shot.
बाहरी किनारा, जोरदार अपील और इसी के साथ अक्षय कार्निवल आउट होकर ज्यादा सेटिस्फाइड दिखाई नहीं दे रहे। ऐसा लगता है कि उन्होंने डीआरएस का इस्तेमाल किया।
Forward. Yeah, satisfied. There is a spike as ball passes next to the bat. Going back to on field, Abhijit, please. Abhijit, you are on screen. Signal out.
And that is a big one. 181 on the board.
नए बल्लेबाज श्रेयस पटोले।
Well done. What a shot. Crunch that. Wide of long off. Much needed boundary. And is that a shot of a number 10 batsman? I guess not.
एक और शॉट, एक और गगनचुंबी छक्का।
And that's given the momentum to the Orange Tigers for the ball.
3 वाइड इस ओवर में अभी तक किए हैं। ओ बेहतरीन शॉट, पैडल स्वेप, एक और चौका भी। ओ हवा में एक और रन। 20 ओवर के बाद 235 पर 8 ऑरेंज टाइगर्स, दूसरा सबसे अधिकतम रन लगाए हैं ऑरेंज टाइगर्स ने।
0-0-6. They were gone by then. Another 0 when Kshitij got out. They were 11 for 4. But after that, the resurrection happened. It was Akshay and Rohit who forced that partnership. Then Carnivore. But again, things were pegged back by the Bharat Rangers. Well, obviously a dejected Nachiket Bhute over there. But this is the target for the Bharat Rangers. 236, and they would need to do that.
Atharva Taide, Danish Malewar. That was struck so well that literally pushed the fielder back. Give him width. And Atharva thanks him for that. Atharva starts taking. Got hold of that. Atharva Taide has got hold of that, and now he's exploring leg side options too. That's a cracking hit. Will it be taken? On the second attempt, the catch is complete and Thakre celebrates, and why not? It's a big wicket of Taide.
अथर्व टाइडे 19 पे 1।
Vedant Jaju. Has enough to travel beyond the rope. Jaju gets going. Right away. Puts on the dancing shoes, doesn't let Saurabh get settled. That was there to be driven, and Jaju will oblige. We've talked about his driving prowess. That's another cracking hit. Very difficult. Eventually a boundary. Not from the best part of the bat. Catching practice. The wicket they so dearly wanted has come by. Danish has got to depart, and yet another innings where he hasn't crossed the 10-ball mark. He has still created an impact.
दानिश मालेवार 22 रन बना के आउट।
On Amanan Agarwal. A stoic Taide. Helping it on its way. This time over the fielder on the off. And such a lovely initiative by Vidarbha Cricket Association. Oh, he's played that once again in the same region. So much of below on this one. And that's out of here.
और लीजिए, अच्छे ओवर्स की हम बात कर रहे थे, बीच में एक बाउंड्री आई कि 6 आया, 6।
Wow, look at that. For distance, so much in control of it, over the bowler's head. He had enough time to pick his spot, Jaju.
खराब गेंदों की बात की, ये लीजिए, देख लीजिए गेंद कहां पड़ा। तो ये बहुत जरूरी है, ज्यादा वक्त मत लगाए तय करने में।
Yeah, that was a bit of Vivek Razdan there, but in all of it, there's a boundary coming through. You got to be a smart batter in modern day cricket. It's not about the pace on the ball sometime and the pace.
दूर डालने से ये होगा। ये लीजिए एक और बाउंड्री आती हुई, बहुत महंगा ओवर, 20 रन आए इस ओवर से।
And that's a reverse hit. Used to great effect over there.
Oh, बढ़िया shot.
And as of now, it looks as if Bharat Rangers are on course for the first win of this tournament for them.
Oh, हवा में shot. अच्छे और इसी के साथ अर्धशतक पूरा मनन का, दिशा से भटके थे कमजोर बॉल, सही नसीहत मनन के द्वारा और 4 रन।
This partnership has just put the game away, and that is the end of it. Finally, this partnership comes to an end. That's the end of Manan Agarwal, gone for 52. The Rangers are 206 for 3.
I hope they have more answers than questions at the end of it. 17 required in 24. Bad execution and catching practice. Finds a reason to smile there, Aditya. Picks up his 4th wicket. Is there a 5 for loading?
कमाल की पारी खेली जाजू ने, 113 रन बनाए मात्र 46 गेंदों पे, 219 पर 4 रेंजर्स।
Was there to be driven and beautifully driven. Will be 4.
अच्छे क्रिकेटिंग शॉट से रन आते हैं। ये एक और कमाल का शॉट खेला। कैप के अंदर।
And they've got it right from the word go. And that shall be the winning hit. It pierces the gap. And it's come from a man who was once again just finding boundaries for fun, not the fielders. It's a run chase that's put out a statement to all the other teams in the contest. Bharat Rangers in 2026 mean business. They went by 6 wickets with 17 balls to spare and a boost to that net run rate. If at all it'll matter. 235 for Ray, the Orange Tigers. And Bharat Rangers chasing it down quite comfortably thanks to Jaju's 113 of just 46 balls.